Saudi's PIF boosts its stake in Nintendo, and Wall Street ends sharply higher. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Saudi's public investment fund has boosted its stake in Nintendo to 6%, reflecting the fund's growing exposure to the Japanese video gaming industry. PIF's stake has now risen from 5.01% to 6.07%. The PIF revealed its 5% stake in Nintendo in a regulatory filing in May last year, stating that it was made for investment purposes. It has also taken stakes in video game companies Nexon, Capcom, and Koei Tecmo. U.S. stocks ended the last session sharply higher, with the S&P 500 and NASDAQ gaining more than 1% each. Investors are optimistic ahead of today's inflation report that could give the Federal Reserve room to dial back on its aggressive rate hikes. The much-anticipated report is projected to show U.S. consumer prices grew 6.5% year-on-year in December, moderating from a 7.1% rise in November. Real estate and consumer discretionary were the session's strongest performers, while Microsoft and Amazon gave the S&P its biggest boost. And those Wall Street gains are reflected in today's Forbes real-time billionaires ranking, with Jeff Bezos, our biggest winner, up $5.2 billion overnight, and now with net wealth of $118.3 billion. Our second biggest winner today is LVMH's Bernard Arnault, up $4.1 billion with net wealth of $204 billion. And our third place winner is Elon Musk, up $2.8 billion with net wealth of $146.5 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. Qatar National Bank saw group annual net profit for 2022 of $4.42 billion. The results exceeded analysts' forecasts, which estimated the bank to earn a net profit of roughly $3.76 billion. Total assets jumped 9% to $326.56 billion last year. Loans and advances hit $221.9 billion, up 6% from December 2021. Net profit for Q4 was nearly $906.2 million compared to $810 million during the same quarter of 2021. Blockchain firm Venom Foundation and Abu Dhabi-based investment manager Iceberg Capital have launched a $1 billion crypto venture fund called Venom Ventures Fund. They say they're leading a $20 million funding round in virtual world platform Numi Metaverse. The fund aims to invest in early-stage startups focused on payments, asset management, banking services, and gaming on Web3. The fund is regulated by Abu Dhabi Global Market. And Hong Kong securities watchdog will propose a subset of crypto tokens for retail investors trading. Hong Kong is pressing on with a new regulatory regime that will make the city more friendly to crypto startups. Officials say as virtual assets have in their past year gone from their peaks to new lows, and as some platforms and tokens have collapsed, there will be a renewed focus on investor protection. And aviation authorities are racing to understand what caused the outage of a crucial alert system that forced the temporary halt on all U.S. domestic aircraft takeoffs. The incident triggered thousands of delays and cancellations. The grounding order was issued after an issue with the system that provides information to pilots about hazards, changes in airport facilities, and other crucial information. The nationwide order was believed to be the first time since the 9/11 attacks that such a broad command had been issued. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.